your pack. Masks up, protect 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 your pack.
I am here alongside other members of the faculty and students and AAUP, our local chapter, to help encourage and ask the USG to please allow us to have indoor mask mandates. I think the administration are doing what USG Board of Governors has asked them to do, which is to not have any of the mask mandates or COVID vaccine mandates in our universities. And so I don't know that I want to say that they're not looking out for our students, but they are doing what the USG says. And we know that medical experts have said that it would be best to have students or people masked indoors. Of course, they've recommended it, but they've not, made any requirement. So we can't have, students wear masks in small spaces where there might be a lot of students. And it's just, it would be better, I think, if we could, particularly since medical experts have said that that's what we should be doing. Our own Tanner Medical Center here that we partner with as an institution recommends masking indoors and in any sort of crowded space. Had some students actually wearing masks pass by and clap and give us thumbs up. We've seen some other faculty and staff also walk by and give us thumbs up and, clap for us. We know that people are busy and may not be able to join, but it is nice that we've actually seen some support. And, we haven't had any counter protesters. So it's been a really quite friendly experience and kind of nice to see people joining together for something that's good for the entire community.
We want to encourage and reinforce people that are wearing masks, letting them know that we're grateful and that they're doing a great job. And sometimes it can feel a little uncomfortable when there are people that, choose not to. But I think some of that discomfort is, a way that we're hoping to encourage them to wear masks. And so we're not we're just here to let them know. My referendum on the administration, and this is just my personal opinion, I think that they're doing the best that they can to help the institution operate. But from a health perspective, they could be doing more. More to encourage and to mandate. And I understand the political climate here makes it difficult to do that. So I'm empathetical, but I wish we could do more.
I'm really concerned about the fact that this Delta virus is getting completely out of control. We are seeing numbers in our classrooms dipping down because students are out with COVID or they've been exposed to COVID. And we can do something as simple as having our students simply mask in order to continue to take care of themselves, keep themselves healthy, and slow the spread of this virus. But the USG system is not stepping up to the plate and mandating indoor masking. And so that's what we're here for, to require and request that we have indoor masking on our campuses. Honestly, I think it is an incredibly, ridiculously political project. There are certain groups of politics and citizens that believe that we have individual rights. We all have individual rights, however, this impacts the whole. And so this is not an individual right, this is a social right. We all have the right to be safe and healthy. When we are on a campus like this, we have this amazing group of students and we have this cry, protect our pack, but we're not doing that. And we can do that simply by mandating mask wearing on campus. I am really fortunate in my classrooms. I talk to my students about this issue. I tell them what the statistics are. I explain how rampant this Delta virus has been. And my students, for the most part, are masking. But I do know that I have a lot of colleagues who are in large classrooms where maybe half the students are masking, and that's where the virus is being spread. There have been professors that have left this university and that are leaving this university as we speak, because of the lack of mask mandates, because of the lack of consideration for our safety and the safety of our students.